It's Artfulanika here, and I'm going to show you how to get this Pride-inspired liner and show the world all your true colors. Let's start by blocking out our brows and adding a beautiful base for the eyeshadow. So I'm carving out the area under my brow with a concealer shade about 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. And let's blend it out with a fluffy brush. Then take your favorite white base and we're going to draw the shape of a wing liner. Go in with a Q-tip and some micellar water to clean up the shape. Blend out some of the creaminess of that base with a flat shader brush. I'm going to be using this Morphe palette and applying it in the typical rainbow pattern. So first up we have red, and make sure none of that white base is peeking through. With the same brush I'm going to go in and put the orange right next to the red. And you want to slightly overlap those colors so we get a nice blend going. With the same brush I'm going to go right into the yellow. I'm going to wipe our brush off and then go into the green. Follow up from the blue from the palette and finish off the end of that wing with a purple. We'll take our Q-tip again and clean up the shape once more. Once that's done, we're going to add eyeliner and mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner, and I'm adding a super thin line just to ground the shape. Add your favorite mascara. I added my favorite pair of lashes, the Ardell 110s, just to give a flirtier look. Now for the skin. I'm going to take that same concealer we used to block out the brow and add it under my eye. And drag that concealer against the end of the liner to really enhance the shape. Then I'm going in with my Lancome Brow Pomade and define the brow. Then I'm taking Benefit's Clear Brow Gel to set that brow. Add your favorite foundation. And we'll go back in with the concealer to really bring out the high points of the face. Use your foundation brush to blend out the concealer. Next, I'm going in with my Tom Ford foundation, which is a bit darker than my skin tone, to contour. Next, I'm going in with my foundation powder, NW46 Studio Fix Powder by MAC. And we're wetting the brush so it gives kind of an airbrush finish. Now we're going in with our Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder to kind of set the outside of the face and amplify that contour. Take a bit of bronzer and just kiss the edges of my face to give a little bit of color. I'm taking MAC Extra Dimension highlighter in Show Gold and popping that on the highlights of my cheekbones. For Pride, you can never have too much highlighter. And I'm going in with a dark lip liner and I'm slightly overlining my lip just to give it extra poutiness. Fill in the lip and feather it. Now I'm taking Bite Beauty's lip gloss in Opal. And now we can paint the town all the colors of the rainbow. We're ready for Pride, honey.